In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a contact on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, hit on that phone icon and there hit on contacts to open up your contacts list. There you can hit on all contacts, and now all you have to do is to find the contact that you want to delete. You can just scroll it and look at that contacts, or you can hit on search and type in the exact contact name. Now let's say I want to delete that contacts, and all I have to do is to hit on that contact and there hit on edit. And there I need to scroll to the very bottom and hit on delete contact and delete contact again. And after that, that contact will be removed from your contacts list. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.